Hi everyone. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make the coolest paper aeroplane that you probably ever have made, and you can shoot it super far. So here we go. What you're going to need is one A4 piece of paper, scissors, some tape, a stapler, one office clip or paper clip, a fairly or medium-sized one, and then preferably 5 elastic bands if you have those that are fairly thick, but you can really try to do this with any other ones. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your A4 piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half, just like that, and we're going to actually cut it right down the middle here, which means we're going to be working with an A5 piece of paper and not an A4 piece of paper. So from one A4 piece of paper, you can actually make 2 aeroplanes, but today you're just going to make one. Okay, you're going to have it in landscape format, and you're going to fold it again straight down the middle. The more accurate you can be, the better. Okay, so there we go. You're going to have your A5 piece of paper folded straight down the middle like that. What we're going to do now is we're going to go from the side and we're going to fold it in onto the crease that you've just made by folding it. So it's going to look like the roof of a house. There we go. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so it should look like a nice house like that. And then we're going to repeat those steps again, and we're going to fold it once more over like this. One side, there we go. And we're going to do the same with this side over here. Fold it into the middle. There we go. Now you have a beautiful heart. You see it? Kind of like a Valentine's heart. You can use that on the 14th of February. Okay, there we go. What we're going to do now is we're going to turn it over. So this side is open. We're going to turn it over, this side's closed, and we're going to fold it just like that on top of each other. So here we go. We're going to fold it. And what you should have now is something that looks like an ice cream. Okay. This is not an ice cream, however, it's going to be a paper plane. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut from corner to corner. So in essence, what we're going to be cutting off is our ice cream at the top. There we go. And all we are left with is our ice cream cone. Got it? It looks something like this. Okay, we're going to fold it back. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put it back down and we're going to fold this over onto the edge at the bottom one more time. So it's the open side at the bottom. We're going to take it on the closed side. We're going to back to where it was folded and fold it towards the bottom where it was open. So now looks like that, and we're going to do the same on the other side over here. Now what you have is a really tiny thin ice cream cone, and you should be able to fold it open like this so that you can actually hold it like that, and you can start seeing it starting to look like an aeroplane. What you're going to do next is you're going to take your stapler and you are going to, in your mind, if you can divide your aeroplane into 3 equal pieces, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to take the first piece round about there, and what we're going to do is we're going to staple it, and we're going to put a staple as close to this edge here, this crease as possible, about 1/3 of the way up, and as close to the crease as possible. There we go. So you can see the staple is in over there. Still got our nice plane. Okay, you can put that down now. What we're going to do next is we're going to take our paper clip and we are going to take the one piece and we're going to bend it all the way over, and then we're going to bend it one more time So it looks something like that. And then the other half is we're going to bend it, and we're going to try get it nice and straight as possible. There we go. So it starts looking something like that. And also when you look at it from this point of view, it's good to try and have it nice and straight. Okay. Now what you're going to do, so this part here is going to be the nose of your aeroplane, and this piece at the back is going to go into your aeroplane, and we're actually going to hook it behind the staple over here. So we're going to put this piece, you're going to push it down behind the staple, and then we're going to pull it to the front, and you can see now it should be nice and stuck. So there, it's stuck behind the stapler. You got this sticking out in the front, and it's nice and tight. You shouldn't be able to pull that out. Then what you're going to do is you're going to find your tape, and you're going to cut a small piece. It doesn't have to be very long. There we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to secure our paper clip. So we literally can just put our piece of tape across the top like that, and you can stick it down on the sides. That's going to keep our paper clip nicely in place for our plane. Almost finished. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your elastic band, and you're going to take one of the other elastic bands, and you're going to feed one through the other, and then pull it through the loop, and then pull. So what you should be getting is you should be getting two elastics that are connected like that, and you're going to do the same with all 5 of your elastics. So that when we are done, we've got a chain of elastic bands. That's 4. And one more. The more you practice, the better you'll get at this. Pull that nice and tight. So what you should have now is a chain of elastic bands. It kind of looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the middle is right there where my nose is. And so we are now done. So the way it's going to work is the nose of your aeroplane. Your paper clip is going to go into the middle elastic right there. And you can see that you'll be able to pull back. The best way to pull it back is just using 2 fingers at the bottom there, and then to pull back quickly, and then to release, and it's going to shoot your paper plane pretty far. Now, if you have got other people to help you, the best way to do it is to get a friend to hold one end of the elastic. You see, so there, for example, you can imagine one person's holding it here, and another person will be holding the other end of the elastic, and they can hold it nice and tight. And your aeroplane is going to hook in here. So if you have 3 people, it'll be perfect, and you can pull it back and then let go. That was a good shot. Now my record is about 80 meters with an A5 piece of paper aeroplane like this. That is about 260 feet. Now you, I'm sure, can do it just as far. Let me know how far you get it, and enjoy. If you want to decorate it, you can put extra pieces of tape, experiment with different elastics, and let me know if you can find a better way of making a plane even better. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye.